Tom, we're going to check out your reading vision.
That's kind of hard.
Kind of hard, right?
Yeah.
Wish you had those reading glasses, right?
Mhm.
Yeah. What about your cell phone? Kind of scroll through that. Hard to do, right?
That's kind of hard.
Yeah, that's hard.
Yeah.
Yeah. Day-to-day activities kind of hard, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a trial with a contact lens. We're going to place it in your non-dominant reading eye, the eye that's going to have the raindrop inlay. And we're going to see how you do, okay? Look all the way up for me. Placing in the eye. Perfect. Okay, Tom, so now the contact lens is in. It's going to be very similar to what your vision will be like with the raindrop inlay. Let's go ahead and read that reading card again. Much better, huh?
A lot better.
It's nice, right?
Mm-hmm.
You don't need those reading glasses. Exciting. And what about your phone? Try reading that. Nice, right?
Wow.
And look down there. Your distance vision's still pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Pretty good. Exciting.